Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna review few of the new products. I'm gonna review this Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick and also this Nykaa lip liner, the lips don't lie. So when I was on vacation, this came out and I could not do a review of this, so I'm gonna review one of these products. Like I have ordered from Nykaa one of this lipstick and two of these liners, so I'm gonna give you my honest review. So if you want to know the review of the product, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So when I was on vacation, I was in Durga Puja, then Nykaa has launched this lip liner and lipstick, Ultra Matte Lipstick. I could not review all the shades because I was not in the city. When I came back, I saw so many reviews are there already, so I did not buy all the lipsticks and shades. Now the price of the lip liner is $350 and this price of the lipstick is $550. So let's first move into the swatches of the products. So first I'm going to try for the lip liner. So I have got two lip liners and one lipstick. So the two lip liners that I'm going to try, first one is this one. This is the Nykaa Lip Don't Lie and it is in the shade Body Sweet. This is how it looks. It looks quite nude. This is how the lip liner looks, the Body Sweet. It's a quite nude color, but I must say the pigmentation is quite good. It is not too much creamy or too much matte. I find like this lip liner is quite good. So I have one more lip liner and it is the Lips Don't Lie and it is in the shade Lover Boy. So it is quite red. So this is how the shade Lover Boy looks. The lip liner is quite pigmented. You can use this lip liner as lipstick also because they are going to cover your lips. This is a very beautiful red color. So I do have the new lipsticks from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Ultra Matte and I have the shade Diana. So this looks to be quite nude and it is going to go with this lip liner. So let me try this out. So you have a magnetic packaging and this is how the shade Diana looks. It looks quite nude. The pigmentation of the lipstick is quite good. It looks to be a very beautiful peachy pink color. It seems to have a little bit of mauve also color, brown color also in it. It's a very beautiful color, the shade Diana. Now let's talk about the review of the products. The lipstick, this is very good. This is not transfer proof. If transfers, it is creamy. They have mentioned it matte. I don't think they are totally matte. Yeah, but they are not very much creamy. Like I find like now winter is coming, your lips are going to crack, so totally matte lipsticks, they are going to crack your lips. But these lipsticks, they are creamy and the pigmentation of the lipsticks are also quite good, so you can wear this lipstick for a long time and they are not going to crack your lip. And the shade I'm wearing, Diana, it is very good. It is a nude color, you can see for my lips. So it is quite pigmented. You can see it has totally covered up my lips. So I did a last video on NYX Powder Puff lipstick. For a lot of you guys were telling like my lips are looking ombre. So those lipsticks are a little bit less pigmented and they are a little bit creamy and they are not transfer proof. So because I have a little bit of pigmentation in my lips, those are not covering those lips. But this one I can see it has covered my pigmentation very nicely. Pigmentation of this lipstick is good. So if you are going out and eating and anything, so it is going to transfer and you have to carry the lipstick. otherwise it is going to come off. So the Nykaa Ultra Matte packaging looks similar to the So Matte, Nykaa So Matte lipstick, same magnetic. I think the Ultra Matte is little bit more matte than these So Matte lipsticks. So the lipstick and the lip liner both are very good. Like those people who does not like liquid matte lipstick, they crack their lips, this lipstick, you are going to love it. Really good lipstick from Nykaa. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.